Hello, hello. Does the class start it? Hello. Can someone respond?
I've sent a message to the team that if we are having any class today, or at least put a message if there is any delay. But not sure if they're gonna respond.
Okay, so is there any delay or the class is going to happen today?
Yeah, that's why there is no message. So that's why I've just sent a text.
Hello guys, good morning. This is Shipra from support team. Your trainer will be joining in next 10 minutes, so be patient and wait for the trainer. Thank you. Happy learning.
Thank you.
Training team. May we know the reason for the late, please?
Training team, can we have the course manager online, please? Hello, is the training team available or are they sleeping as well?
Sir, give me 1 minute. We are on it.
Training team, is anyone joining from the management perspective?
Sorry, someone had said something.
We ask someone to join from the management, the course manager or the top management, anyone.
I think we should raise a vote that whether today's class should be continued or not. Because it's a high time.
Yes, yes, dear learners, your class will conduct within 15 minutes. Trainer will about to join. He's facing some challenges. He has already informed us. So please keep patience and give us 15 minutes.
Okay, we'll give you 15 minutes. Can you ask from someone from the management to join in the meantime?
No, your trainer is about to join. That's why we are requesting.
Yeah, let the trainer join. We have some other queries we have to clarify with the management. Can you ask someone to join, please? I'm asking it for the past 20 minutes now, and there's no response.
No, no, actually we are on it, and already a trainer is about to join,
You
and your
you you
request.
be on it, you be on it, and you do whatever you want. Can you
Okay,
ask
okay,
someone from the management to join?
okay, okay. We are requesting it.
Hi. Good morning. Sorry for the late. Hi. Hello everyone. My voice is audible to you. Is it? Everyone is there. Yes.
Is it the class
Yeah.
teacher?
Great. Nice to.
Is it class teacher?
Yeah. Class is started.
Okay.
Yeah. So I think, Prem, we want to discuss something regarding our course agendas. Yeah, you can actually. We have covered unsupervised learning, and from today onwards, we have to start SQL, right? And SQL, then Tableau, actually. These two things we have to cover. And, the installation process and whole process we are going to cover up. Yesterday, I think the major point we have discussed, voice is soft. I think, yes, ML is over, ma'am. Unsupervised is over.
Hi,
Am I
Abhay.
clearly out? Just a minute. Yes, Rahul.
How are you, Abhay?
Just I'm connecting my.
So this is regarding the ML and the
Rahul, just a second. I'm just connecting my voice. Yes, Rahul, you can.
so this is regarding the ML and the course schedule. Like you said, ML is over, but we haven't covered the other topics that you mentioned that we will cover in ML.
So,
Can you hear me?
mhm.
Hello.
Yes, Rahul.
Hello,
ac-
Abhay.
Actually, what happened? My device is not connecting. My PC's voice is getting. It's not.
Let me know. Let us know once you're ready. Just have a couple of queries to ask
Actually,
you.
what happened?
You can talk, no problem. Yeah. Hello.
Yeah, Abhay, just let us know what is your understanding on the courses on Friday, Saturday, Sunday. We have courses starting from Friday and Saturday and then Sunday, right? So what do you take up
Yes.
on Fridays? Just wanted to understand from your side what you do on Fridays. Because
Friday
we and
session.
myself,
We yes.
Rahul, we come on Saturday and Sunday, and I think the
Mhm.
rest of the team as well. So we wanted to know on Friday what exactly you do.
Actually, what happened whenever the Friday's session is there, that is in reverse, means repeat batch of Sundays. Means Sunday, whatever the content will we have covered, no, that content we are repeating on the Friday. Means Friday's peoples are new, no, that's why, because they never attended Sunday session. Got it?
Okay.
And whatever the content we have covered on Friday session, that is in repeating content of Sundays always. So we are not taking any new content or means any means different content for the Fridays people or means Saturday Sundays people.
Because we got to know yesterday in the
Yes.
group that you're gonna start SQL today. We never.
Yes, actually yesterday we have covered K-means again because we have covered Sunday K-means, no, that is a
Yeah,
repeating content.
we never got this info last Sunday that we're gonna start SQL next week. And as per my understanding, you said we still have some left in ML.
Hmm. No.
Are we only
Actually, unsupervised is there, no? So that is
are we
covered now. So what?
in
If suppose, hello,
It is not only yesterday's class, Abhay, because even previous classes I've
yeah.
noticed like there is a new topic which is taken up on Fridays, and then we get a repeat session on a Saturday. And that too, I think most of it is missed out, and then we have to refer the Friday's class, whatever was done on Friday, the notes over there.
I
And we see
think
that
you can, hello everyone, please go through the Friday session as well. Nothing, any content new or anything taken. If, because if suppose there is a new content, definitely I shared with you. Why to skip that point, right? Go through that recordings better. And even suppose there is a content, definitely my team is that administrator will means discuss with me, and suppose there is a content there remaining, definitely I will go through that. Why to skip any content? Are you getting my point?
Because we never had any communication with the training team, because communication is
Okay, okay.
really bad, to be honest.
Yes, Rahul, I appreciate your actually. If suppose anything is remaining, no, definitely I will cover that. Yes, I give you words about that, definitely. And if suppose the way we are starting the SQL, actually we are going to cover up the Tableau, but the first we are covering a SQL and then we go for the Tableau. And there is not an such kind of new content that we have covered in Friday session. You can go through that recordings also there. Yes.
Okay, we got
Okay.
your point. How about ML?
Yes.
Have we done SVM in that?
Sorry.
In ML, have we done SVM yet?
Yes. SVM covered and KNN covered and
And in
decision tree,
thing
ensemble.
to k-means clustering, that's it.
Yeah.
Okay.
SVM also covered, and that we shared the files. If suppose not done, go through that once. If suppose that there isn't something, because if suppose SVM or suppose anything that is remain, no, only 1 hour of session that definitely that we can cover. If suppose something is remaining, but I think SVM I have taken. Just check out kernel
Okay.
content we have taken.
And how about
Hmm.
that we will do ANN as well? Are we gonna cover those in upcoming?
And that thing actually I have discussed. But maybe once again I will discuss with the team. Why? Because if suppose they are thinking about to take, means your agenda is taking from that whole concept, then definitely I will go with that. Because
Abhay,
in this
Abhay,
session, no, what they have told me, go through the SQL from, because the way we have covered the unsupervised, no, that's why. And if suppose ANN is there, then definitely they means they told me about, they said me about you can take an ANN and like
Abhay,
that.
Is this the first time this course is being conducted by Coursera?
Mm, no, I think they are taking it.
Yeah, then they don't have an outline of what they're going to conduct in each
Yeah,
of the
they
sessions.
should have to share with you. Yes,
Then how
I
come they are
appreciate it.
saying that we don't know that ANN is covered or CNN is
No, no,
covered?
no. I'm saying, sir. I'm saying.
There should be an outline, right? That the
Yeah.
so and so date, so and so topic should be taken, and it should be communicated to all of us as well.
Yes, sir. I appreciate your content definitely. And
So that's the reason why I was asking in when you were absent over here for the last 20 or 25 minutes. We asked someone
mm,
from the course management to join in so that we can clarify this. Now,
that's
now,
correct, sir.
Take
now there
away,
is
it's training team who tell you to do the things.
Right, right.
They should come up and we should just talk to them.
Yeah.
Yes,
Also,
I
Abhay,
think
this is
wait.
Pooja. Just want to make sure from today's session, whatever you start, just keep in mind that we do Saturdays, Sundays. So just make
Hmm.
sure that we don't miss anything.
No, no, definitely that word is mine. Actually, if suppose I never taken any kind of new content in Friday session, means
Yeah,
why
because we may
why
not
to
get
take it?
time to do Friday. So that's why we just we only focus on Saturday, Sunday. So we don't want to miss anything.
No, no, no. I definitely, if suppose there is a miss something, definitely I will take from myself that session and I will cover up that one.
And
Yeah.
Yeah.
uh, Abhay, now we have only less time. This course was for supposed to be for six
No, no.
months. Okay.
Actually, they have given me slot properly, and
Okay.
suppose.
Can
the,
can 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 you let us know what all things are left as per your understanding without the training team mentioning you? What is left and how are we going to progress? Can you just write down on a notepad or something and just show it to us? Because as far as I know, there are certain more topics which are left, and plus there is a project which is supposed to be done. I don't know when
project
we are going
part
to
is there.
take when we are going to take up that project and how we are going to take up. There is no clarity and no one is informing us anything. It is like we just come on a
That's
Saturday and Sunday. We just sit for 2 hours, complete this lesson, and we go. But there is no clarity on what is going to happen next. How are things going to be progressing?
Yeah, I agree
It,
too. Yeah, we need more clarification.
I will give you just.
Because you mentioned sometimes that we will cover ANN and we will cover deep learning as well.
Actually, I thought that if suppose AN is there, but that isn't my view. No? We have to cover up this one. In my opinion, always there is a list of content, but I will discuss with them because if suppose they are not giving me such suppose time
can you get
and
them on the
slot
call,
is there.
Abhay? Can you get them on the call,
Wait,
Abhay, so
wait.
that we can clarify and finish it off at one time
Hmm.
itself, rather than you going back and they communicating something to you and then you are communicating something to us? Get them on the call and let's clarify and get things on paper right away.
Hmm. Just give me a second.
Yeah, that's a good idea. We can do it right now if they are available.
Anyway, we are short of the class because it's already 1 hour past the class. So I don't think we can learn much today. So if they are able to come on the call, let's finish it off.
That's correct.
Because there's no point of jumping to another topic if you're not going to cover the whole previous thing, you know.
See, till then, whatever the content I have teach you, that is not in like in between middle of the content. We have covered up the means flow of that
Mm-hmm.
because I always go through that means way of flowing, and I never taken any content directly in middle of that. So do not worry about that. The content that you have learned that is an or means middle of the content or directly I have taken. But the point is that the way you said, sir, we will discuss with the team. Team is there. Remaining topics. Yeah, just a second. Actually, I'm going to ask. Just give me 2 minutes of time first. I'll discuss with the team whatever the things that you want. Am I audible?
Yes.
About ANN, and suppose the PMM said you KNN and CNN is there. KNN is covered, no, ma'am? K nearest neighbor. And CNN is a deep learning part actually. And suppose there is an ANN and CNN content is there, management will connect at 1:15. Okay, so they will discuss with you actually
Because
in the middle of the session.
as per Career website, it says that we will cover deep learning and NLP as well.
It definitely no. Your word is correct actually. But if suppose there is an Rahul, suppose there is an they will discuss with you definitely. They will share with you some content.
Mm-hmm.
If suppose, and if suppose they said me something, then definitely I will go through that. Yes.
Sir, then please cover SVM today.
Yes, SVM.
First, we should complete the ML, then we will jump to SQL.
Yes, SVM we have taken, ma'am. That's I'm talking to you. That we have once again. If suppose repeat class is there, that's not an issue. We can take. I will take and that. But we have covered. That's I'm
I don't
taking.
think so. SVM is done.
How can I say? Okay, no problem. If suppose repeat session, if I'm going to take, not an issue. And about also, ma'am, we can go through that. Yes, we am not an issue. Second thing, uh, we are covering SQL. I'm going to share with you. Okay.
Its name.
Someone is talking.
But we don't know how it works, SVM. Just
SVM's diagrammatically we have explained.
Just
Wait,
give
I
us.
will show you. Okay, whatever the content I'm going to share with you.
Yeah, I don't think we have done SVM.
Okay, no problem. Once I am going to explain, no, you can get it. No problem. Do you have any class plan with you? Can you please show? Yeah, I'm showing you now. Okay. SVM, SQL, SQL installation first will do. SQL and Tableau. If suppose we can discuss with the management, ANN and CN is there, definitely we can go for that. But I'm just passing this content in front of you. SVM, this is part of machine learning. Okay. Tableau is a data visualization tool. If you guys don't know that, you can check it. I will explain with you. Visualization, and this is database. Those are in the full stack developer. They know about the Tableau. What about Power BI? Only Tableau they have shared with me, ma'am. But I will, if suppose there isn't Power BI, I will discuss with you. And at the end of this session, today's session, you are going to connect with the team and you can discuss with them. Not an issue. Yes. Yeah. Tableau or Power BI, both are actually data visualization tools. We can go with the Tableau or Power BI, not an issue. See, I think the content that we have covered, just can I mention here? Because I want to tell you some flows that you have to learn. Means you have to repeat all the content. Means for the learning as well as the interview sessions. And do you got that? I yesterday shared one content for 100 questions, 100 plus questions. Is that you got? Please let me know if you got this, because these are all the interview questions.
Abhay, one last thing.
Where have you shared it?
On the portal actually, not in interview. Portal only.
Abhay, one last thing. When you share,
Yes,
those files, you mind if you could upload on the Saturday and Sunday portal, not on the Friday, because we never check the Friday
I think Fridays I have shared. Actually, last week also I have shared with them, but some people say that I never got. Sunday's class portal. Okay, Sunday's class portal.
Yeah, just giving you, heads up that we don't check the Friday session at all.
Okay. See guys, if suppose anything is remaining, no, from my side, that portal updation or something, you can just remind me, and definitely I will go through that. Yes. See, Yesterday, I also shared one content here. Wait. Okay, ANN and CNN part, just I got a message from you. ANN and CNN part will cover up into the internship part. Internship content is there, no? From your side. Yes.
Not all have taken internship, Abhay.
No, actually, the internship means after completion of this course, no? You are
Yes,
going to give the
I opted out from internship. I
okay.
didn't take the internship.
And then we'll go for, suppose they will take to you into that particular session only, maybe for the learning purpose. Are you getting my point? They will take, means they will add you for that session for only. Are you getting?
I hope so.
I will. You can trust on me. I will take every single person for the whole content. Don't worry. See, this content I have shared with you for the learning purpose. This is not an agenda for the learning purpose. Is it visible? No, my screen. No link on yesterday's class. Actually, I think in working 2 days they are going to share maybe. That's why they haven't shared maybe. But they will get an update. Not an issue. See this content. This part is we are going to cover, and this Python problem. The Python programming. These are all the contents. Data analysis, data sets, data visualization. Power BI or Tableau you can go for the learning, and machine learning part. What are the content that we have covered, and contents also I have shared with you here. And this is project list. You can go for the working, and you can add this content on your resume as well. But any three, okay, do not add a huge amount of this. Or you have a LinkedIn portal, right? LinkedIn page. So you can create your projects and post it into LinkedIn profile. Not an issue, because this is best one to if you share this content. And always just remember that, keep in mind, whenever you post something, whenever you share something, no, in that post, always give the credit to the data set resources. Means where you got that data set. Means suppose credit card you have taken from the Kaggle side, you just mention there, I got in this data set from the Kaggle, because always giving credit to the particular source page, that is most important, because data is always data, means sensitive data. So always keep in mind. Okay, it is kind of respect to that particular team or website. Another one thing, copy into chat. Okay.
Abhay, how many classes you're planning to take for the SQL? What's your plan?
Two sessions, and means 1 week, Saturday, Sunday for
So this week it will be SQL only.
Yes, well. And next session, suppose there is an Friday or Saturday, maybe that will take an SQL cover up, and then Tableau 4 sessions. That's it, because that is enough. No need to pass.
And what about the Capstone project?
Project after that, we are going to work on that capstone projects. It will take near about 2 to 4 days, means 4 hours. CNN will take into the internship part, means internship sessions will go, no, that time those are in the internship, and those are not in the internship, they are going to connect in that session.
So when is the planning for internship starting?
After completion of Tableau.
According to you? Pardon?
After completion of Tableau. Once we cover up, no, definitely we go for that.
Oh, once we cover up means any schedule,
This one.
this month.
Next,
This will be finishing at this month.
I think 15th July till it will cover up, not an issue. Till 15th. Wait, I will check this date as well. Today is in 25, means I think 15 to 17 till everything will cover up about Tableau as well. And suppose side by side
Sorry, I did
any
not hear you. Sorry, I did not hear you properly.
15 to 17, there is a next week also, no? After 4 to 5, 11 to 12, and 18 to 19. Maybe till 11 to 12, maybe we are going to cover up because at the base, it is based on your process, no? If suppose your doubts are making that session delay, no, then definitely it will take a time. Or within 2 hours, 3 hours, this will cover up. If suppose we are getting more doubts on that content, then it will take more time.
Okay.
Whole deep learning, you mean whole deep learning means nothing but deep learning is only two parts. That is an ANN and CNN. ANN is it's enough to 2 hours of session, Rahul, because I always get in 2 hours. That's enough. If suppose if we need more time, then we'll discuss about it. Yes, our language, no, I think our language, we don't have that much. But you can ask with the team because our language is not my language for teaching. Okay, mentioned, then definitely go through that. They will, if suppose anything isn't mentioned, no, they will manage that, no problem. ANN, CNN isn't deep learning. Yes, yes, sir. ANN, always first you have to learn ANN. Without ANN, you cannot go directly into CNN. Is part of ML. ML isn't different, and deep learning isn't different. Deep learning has an ANN and CNN, and AI is nothing but collection of ML, data science, and deep learning. That is nothing but your AI. Are you getting my point, Ron? When we will do that, we will do that into in the internship part in ANC. Okay, let's we go for that. I got your point. Sure. No. Wait, today I'm going to tell you the differences as well as the SQL part as well. Okay, please, installation process I'm going to tell you. Those people don't have an SQL server. I'm just this session for you guys. Okay, everyone is there. Just say me yes to into chat. Okay, and search for the into Google SQL management server. See here. SQL Management Studio down. Go for that. Okay. And the most of the sense, the major thing about the work that is SQL Server is having multiple versions 2008, 2012, 2014, 2017, 18 as well, because SQL is a product of Microsoft. So it is most important. For that, you can go directly 2000, see to 2008, 2016, right? So it depends upon you. I always prefer, I used to with the 2008 and 2012. So you can directly pass. We have to check for the 2010 is present or not. I don't know that you guys have installed. Yesterday also I have given a quick recap of quick installation process. I will show you how it looks like, but wait for just 2008 and 12 are absolute. Yes, yes. Actually, my softwares are based on completely 2008. See, guys. See, I think you guys. Do not directly go without informing you. Do not go for that. Do not go. First, I will check because you will get in so much sizable content. SQL Server 86 ENU. This is an 1 GB. SQL Management Studio 2012.
Can't we use MySQL instead of MS SQL?
Actually, MS SQL is an useful, no, understanding purpose and security purpose also. That's why we are going to work on the SQL and user friendly as well. I think this one. Yesterday I have shared this. Wait, I will first download this one. Okay, this one. Because and one more thing, if you don't have an updated, means if you don't have updates on your operating system, no, maybe gets problem to install. I have shared link. Go through that. And wait, one more thing. I'll share my whole screen. It will be my screen is visible now. Yeah. See, you have to download this one, not an issue. After downloading, you will get a link of this. See, free download for SQL Management Studio. Okay, and directly see, double click it, and mostly try to go for the right click and run as an administrator. What I'm telling to you, you directly go for the run as. We will download this one. Yeah, you should have it. See, actually, I have installed. Okay, I have installed. So I'm not going to whole process, but I will tell you what is the stages to do. See, it will take a more than 20 to 30 minutes. See what I'm saying for installation, because SQL installation always taken more time to installation. So whenever you start the installation process, no, just loading packages and just you will get a near about wait for the 20 to 30 minutes and definitely it will go for that. Okay, directly. Just let me know you guys gotten this link and software. Yes or no? Means you got a software. Okay, it will take on time, no problem. But see, what is the next process you have to do? You have to do for the only next. Okay, and installation also. After installation, what we will get that I'm going to show you now. So wait for this. See what you have to do. I'm just minimizing all the content here. Okay. So search first. Click the windows. Okay, and search for. See, search for directly SQL. See, SQL is there. So I'm just getting the SQL is where it is. See, you will get a Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. Yes. So run as an administrator. It depends upon you that running as an administrator or not. Click here. See. Yes, sir. I think free download for the SQL. You will get the same. Yes. My setup is download the file. Yeah, see here what is going on here. See, package process and overall progress. So execution will take a near about 20 to 30 minutes max to max. Always. See, my management SQL Server Management today is going to open. Why it is taking time? Okay, I'm not going to execute this whole process so that I'm going to cancel this point. But I'm just expecting your side that are you getting the installation process? Yes or no? Did you get that file, SQL Server Management Studio? I cancelled my session because can we work on the MySQL? The same code, actually, MySQL and SQL is same, but platforms are different. We are working on the SQL, Server Management Studio. Coding and all the structure same, platforms are different. After installation, it's showing correct connect to server. Yes, yes. Is it visible like this one? No. Ron? Yes. Rahul, no more Python from today. No, no, actually, we will cover up first SQL and Tableau, and then when we go for the ANN and CNN, that time definitely we are going to connect with uh, Python working once again. I face problem. Check out and you know because definitely some of the people I told you that you will get a problem because some PC updates or why, because this is a Microsoft product, no. So definitely may you get a problem. So problem may you will get an kind of update the this PC means operating system, or may you will get an problem with the 4.5 SQL Microsoft version problem maybe. So what kind of problem you are getting? Can you share with me? Copy it or share some words, contents. After opening this SQL Server Management Studio, you will get in this content and connect. Okay, see, is it visible? See, database. These are the supporting files for the SQL Server, security, server object, replication, polybase management, and these are the major work that we are going to work means we are going to cover up, that is a database, and this is means these are the databases. Okay, these are the database. This is the system database. This is database snapshots. So we are not doing any work on it, but this is server. Server means what is the server name? You will get here server name. Are you getting something like are you getting this server name dot / SQL Express? Uh, Wait, I will copy this one. Copy it and paste it into the server name. Can you share me anyone's screen so that I can get it? Because I never installed that link software, so I can get it. Yeah, you can. Wait, I will. If it is. You can share. Need to install the SQL Server first. Yes, you have to install. Yes, Rohan, this is correct. I think I have shared, that / dot / SQL. You can just pass it down there. Yes, connect. No, no, wait. Something is problem here. Go for Windows Authentication. Click the Windows Authentication. Please give me a right to click here. Means operate your stream, please.
Sir, can you give the मतलब
Yes.
तुम्ही तिकडून हे करा ना म्हणजे मी इकडून ऍक्सेप्ट करतो तुम्हाला कंट्रोल भेटून जाईल.
Okay. Just. Who said this? Where is the name? Rahul, what you shared this one? Clickers. Click is not working. See everyone, see. I will do one thing. Okay, better to go for this process because this is looks like a lengthy and tricky one. Better, I will do the one video on the installation. Okay, 10 to 15 minutes of installation video for the SQL. Is it Is it correct? Yes or no? Are you getting a point? I'll create a 10 to 15 minutes of installation video so that that will share with you on the portal, and definitely this will solve all the your problem because I don't know because I can't connect everyone's screen and give the solution. Better I can do the video. It will helpful to you. Okay, that's correct. Yeah, great. Don't worry about today's this one. I will first give you introduction about the whole process, and whenever you complete your installation process, that time we can go for the working. Okay. First, I will go for work. Ron, you can stop. Whose screen is there? What is the server name? Yes, I will give you whole process about this. You can stop the screen, no problem. No.
Sir, can you stop the screen?
Yeah, actually.
There is no option
Yeah.
for stop.
No. Now. Can you please tell us the server name so that we can finish the installation? Actually, this is a by default server name. See, this is by default server name. If you are not getting logged in into that, then definitely you have to add a custom.
Abhay, sorry, Abhay, I'm getting this SQL server on Azure or SQL server on premises. Which one I should choose?
Where you have means have you done installation?
I just followed your link. That's it. And then I followed the download. That's it. Then I got this page. Can I share the screen with you?
Yes, you can. No problem.
Yeah.
Right.
Yes, sir. Francis, sir, are you saying me?
I was just going to reply to Pooja itself. I think Pooja. Azure is on the cloud and on-prem. On-prem is on your local machine. So that's the difference between the two.
Actually, I didn't get that line. That's why I never shared any comment on that.
Abhay, I'm sorry, I'm not able to share it. Some problem.
Okay.
I'm not able to share it. So what was Franca telling? I'm Sunita, by the way.
Sunita. You
Yeah.
can share me any code.
Yes.
Sir, if suppose you know, then you can share the content, no problem.
Yeah, Azure is on the cloud. If you have a cloud platform, then you can select the Azure version. Else, you can go with the on-prem version. There's the other one, which will locally install on your local machine.
So either any of one is okay, you
No,
mean?
Azure, you need to have a Azure account. You need to
Okay, all
get a
right,
paid
okay.
account. Yeah.
Otherwise on the premises.
Yeah.
All right, thank
Yes.
you. Okay, all right. Okay, understood.
Thank you.
Thank
You,
you
sir.
for helping.
See, I'm sharing once again my screen here. See, Microsoft SQL Management Studio, this is it's kind of IDE. It's kind of tool that you can store and do the data manipulation content related with the SQL server. So SQL is a structured query language. See, SQL is a structured query language, and it is kind of programming language actually. But we are going to work on the database. So whenever there is a database related work, that definitely SQL is the best option to work. MySQL and SQL is contains are same, means SQL isn't same, but both are different platform to implement the work. Okay, and for the web developers and mobile application development, backend database that comes from the SQL server. There is so many programming. There isn't so many databases are there. MongoDB, NoSQL. This is SQL. Micro MS SQL is there, and another one is Oracle is there. But why always data scientists learn about the SQL? Because last 20 years, 20 to 25 years, the industries continuously they have been using this SQL as a database, means SQL server or MySQL as a database. So maximum time your data analytical stuff that comes from the data set of SQL. So if you know the basic stuff related with the SQL Management Studio or a database kind of SQL, then definitely you will get to know definitely your plus point for the interview sessions. Is it correct? Right. Else companies will hire you and give you the training on the SQL because they are getting a SQL data set from the client. And then you are slicing your data set, then you are creating your slicing your tables from that and go for this data analysis. So better to go for same, means whole this process. Better to go for after interview, after getting job for the learning SQL. Best way to learn now, and interview process also plus point for you to get a job, right? See, this is actually this is server name. You can create a different server names as well while installation process. Okay, even here also not an issue, but we are not an means database administrator. We are not in means big data person or database handler. We are learning for the data analysis purpose, because the content that we have into the database, no, that is important for the analytical purpose or any prediction purpose. So server name is your major starting point to connect that server. So that each server name isn't different. Okay, suppose SQL server, SQL Express is there, and SQL Express may have some database like a 10 to 15 or number of data sets in that. The like this one, wait, I will show you one. Suppose this is an SQL server, you can create another one server name. Okay, you can create another one, but server is and different, database is and different, and tables are different. Okay, while while installing your SQL Server Management Studio, you can create multiple servers. But server isn't server, no. It's kind of connected with your PC, whereas a local machine is there that is connected with them. So always just keep in mind, server name always important, SQL Express, or by default always you will get an SQL Express, but sometimes may get custom also. So in the video, I will share with you how to pass a custom as well. Okay. In 2008, SQL 2008 R2, you will get in that whole process. I used to with that custom, but in the 12 while installation, I will create a video and I will share with you. After this, always whatever the work you will get into this database only. And if you want to create a new database. Okay. See, our major work is not in creating a database. Our major work is whatever the database given by the client, no, that database having some kind of data, and on that data you are going to do an analysis or prediction. Okay, you are not creating any new database, or you are not creator of the database. You are a handler and data manipulator. Okay, so always keep in mind that. Means you data scientist can create a new data, not an issue. But always you are taking that data into means you will work on that first. Present data you will work on that, no, and then creating. That is in two different parts are there. We are one who create. We are not one who access. This is an it's great for the new line for that. New line means it's kind of tagline. Is it my new database screen is visible? Wait, it is not visible. I'll share my whole screen. See, I'm creating here new database, new database. Okay. See, you will get a kind of this screen, pop-up screen. You can give the name DB career. Better to give, I like this one. DB career underscore DB. You can give the underscore, not an issue. See, I'm creating okay, career underscore DB. See, career underscore DB. Click. Once I create a career underscore DB, you will get in this kind of folders. Okay, what I'm saying, this kind of folders. So major work related with the folder that is in comes under the table, because maximum means your whole work about data that comes under the table. See here. Okay, career DB. And this career DB, this table, you can create a new table. This kind of. So very quickly, I can create. I'm going to create one table name. Table name. I'm not sure. I'm not giving you whole process work now, but just quick work that you can get it easily. What is the major work about this one? Okay. See, I have created only ID, name, and city. Okay, and save. See, and TB underscore info. This is my table name. So once again, I'm going to do, where is my object? This is okay. Say it looks like this. And here I just saved, no, refreshed table. See the TB info. Why this DBO person I got, I don't know, because any query that I have pre-written or something, I will check that in. But this is an TB info. How table name changed? This TB info, this is, see, not in changed. This person is in previously I pre-written anything that I have to check. I'll check that. One second. But your TV info is in this. If suppose if you want to create another one, go for the table, new table. ID, int, data type. Yes, Rahul, we always work on the old data.
Abhay, instead of creating the database, why don't we just import the CSV file? It will automatically populate the database and we can.
Actually, what happened? Creating database means we have to know about creating tables and creating. I got that your point that always directly import your CSV. While suppose clients are there, they always gives us any kind of database, no, to take this data set and go for the analysis or prediction.
Yeah,
That's why this.
we can always import the database, no? It will be an SQL by the end of the day.
Yes, we can import, not an issue. Means importing the SQL file you are saying.
Yes, if we have a database, just import it. No, by creating these tables and all will take us
Yeah,
huge time.
that thing is also we are going to work on it. Actually, creating tables or these are the basic. That's why today I'm not going to deeper into that. I'm just giving you this is table, this is
Yeah,
database that I'm going to give.
fine. No
Not a
worry.
big thing. Yeah. Client gives you into the SQL form because SQL any SQL files extension is in .SQL. Sir.
Correct.
So always, whenever the kind of client share with you anything that into SQL, and I will tell you the way Francis sir said, no, yeah, how to import that file, because that is an importing and accessing the SQL file also we are discussing about that. See what I'm saying? Means once we create our own data set, no, how to create an SQL file, script file. We say that script file actually, that we have also learn about that. And the way I said, sir, client gives into SQL file. Not only SQL, actually, maybe they will give you into different form as well. Some people say that JSON also, JSON or so many things, because we don't know no, the backend database which they are using. But maximum, they are working on the SQL. So that's why. Okay. Email ID is getting. And see, someone asked me that how to save. See, Control and S. Okay, and this is my DB, not in DB, TB, TB underscore detail. Yes, client usually gives the range experience. Yes, yeah, is Excel will CSV and then actually I haven't said you told you about the yes Excel file also we can read it into where Jupyter file. SQL file also I'm saying. Why is SQL used? Database no last I said no last 25 years we have used this work. We don't know, we don't do any. Why don't do? SQL is a programming, actually programming language, Rahul. SQL is a programming language that we can use for database purpose. Like same. Yes, for the relational database. Relation means there is an multiple tables are there, no? In the C here, I will give you one example. See the screen, best one example I will give you. See, this is Shiv Shakti is there. Okay, Shiv Shakti database. One of my client is there. Okay, and see how many tables are there. Is it visible? No. See, these are the tables, almost 50 plus tables are there. So why these tables are there? So every table is connected with each other. That's why relational database is there. So relational tables, relation with the one to another tables. That's why. Okay, and this is most user friendly language for the database handling. Okay, this is an inventory database. So you will see this on purchase, sales, commission, consumption, and inward, outward, labors. This is. No, Francis sir, actually this is correct. Whatever you are sharing, no, that is your experience is important here. With your questions, I got your experience. I appreciate with that. Okay, no problem. Yes. Okay. See guys, I think what I'm going to do. Why this is not? Are there is a management will join? Wait, I will ask us. Definitely they will join it. Yes. Just give me 2 minutes. I will connect with them. See, I will share the installation process as well on the video. But one thing is there, tomorrow onwards, dedicatedly, we are going to work on the SQL, and I will share with you the experience as well related with the analysis, means how we can use this data set and how we can convert your data into the Excel sheet and CSV as well. So you can work dedicatedly. Okay, so no problem. I will connect with it. Hello. So SQL we are going to cover up tomorrow, start to come from tomorrow, and team will connect within 3 minutes. Not an issue. Today we are not going to take any content here. Today is over. Okay, you can wait it not. If suppose anyone having any question, you can wait it for that. You can, or others those are don't have any question, you can leave, not an issue. Second, about what's the question? Question is that.
Hello.
No, not in today. No, we are not taking any question because installation process is not covered. No, from your side. So I'm not taking anything. Those
Hello, Abba sir.
having questions, see the contents about that ANN and CNN that will cover into the internship. Okay. And today's video, yes, I'm going to upload that video on day at the end of the day. I will upload that, creating the 5 to 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes of video, and I will share with you. And second thing about ANN CNN will cover up into the internship point with the capstone project as well. Second thing about Tableau and this SQL will cover up into the next 2 weeks. Means because it will take a near about next week's next month's first week. Sir, Power BI's question you can ask with the team, not an issue. Yes, because I don't want to give you words. If suppose whatever the content from my side, I will give you word to I will cover up that one. But if whatever the questions that is not given by me answer, not given any answer from me, you can ask with it, not an issue. Yes.
Hello, Abba sir. I'm audible. Hello.
Will you take the capstone classes? Yes, sir. I will take. That is from my side, and I will take that class. But once we cover up the Tableau, no, then we can go for that. Am I audible? Wait.
What does the project cover?
I never
In
connected.
capstone project.
Hello. Yeah, now I got. Sorry.
What does the capstone project cover?
Capstone project, actually, I never discussed. Many project list I have, but first, without any discussion, I will not share with you. Please ask, we need to connect or not, because sir is not free. Okay, actually, team
Abba
is.
sir, can you wait till management will join?
Yeah,
Because
actually,
there is no
management
option for us from our side to connect them.
management team.
They
one
just
of
say
the
that I will connect, but they never connected till because मतलब आप आने से पहले भी उन्होंने कनेक्ट नहीं किया है, वो बोले कि हम करेंगे. So can you wait?
see what I got in message. Management is means those higher authority sir is connecting with the other team, no, so they are not into.
Okay. Yeah, lots of queries are there related internship and syllabus. So we have to ask them.
So can we do one thing? If suppose I got your questions, because tomorrow when we'll start, no, from before. If suppose you guys are having question, no, some of you. So before starting session, I will connect with the manager. Is it correct?
So
Yes.
can you
Wait.
please?
Team is connecting. Yeah. Yes. Team. Is it audible to you?
Francis, please start.
Hello.
Hi, good afternoon, everybody. This is Mohammad Shahsaud, the senior manager, career. Hi, how are you people doing?
Good, thanks. How are you?
Okay, people. Hi, I've come to know like people, you have some doubts. Yeah, please tell me what are your doubts so I can address them one by one.
We want to get the proper course schedule before we jump onto any other task. We need to get proper schedule of the classes and what time we'll finish the specific things.
People, hi, I just wanted to get your notice that like you have whatever topics are left for you, do not worry. The trainer, Mr. Abhay, will cover one by one. Be rest assured for that. Okay. Let me tell you one more thing, people. Like the topics I've come to know, like ENN and CNN, that will be covered in the internship module. Do not worry for that. And the latest update is here is after 10 July, your batch will be moving to internship. Okay. So be rest assured. Do not worry. Your SQL and Tableau is already started, yeah, and it will be covered in 2 weeks' time. I hope my voice is audible to everybody. If yes or no, maybe you can reply in the chat box by raising your hand.
What about the Capstone project? Because today what Abhay was telling us that two classes for the SQL, then and
Hello.
hello.
After the SQL and Tableau gets over, we will provide the caption project. Do not worry for that. Okay. Please have patience. We will surely provide you that. Do not worry.
Hi, I'm Ron from this side. When?
I hope I have addressed to everybody's query.
No, hello, I'm audible.
People, let me address one more thing to everybody. If anybody has some doubts, any topic is left, okay? So what we can do from our end is we can arrange a doubt session for you with the trainer one-on-one. I repeat myself, people, if anybody has any doubts, okay, yeah. So what we can do is we can arrange a doubt session for the candidate one-on-one with the trainer. Be rest assured, do not worry. None of the topics will be left uncovered, okay?
Can you tell us what are the topics which are left for us right now? Because we don't have clarity on that.
According to your trainer, according to your, yeah, I'm addressing your question.
Not according to the trainer, according to the Coursera project. What all topics do you all cover? We want to see that, and accordingly we can tell you what is covered, what is not covered. Because everything, every now and then it dynamically changes.
No, I'll
Sometimes
tell you
this is,
what, we are going,
sometimes
the
this is
trainer is
there,
going.
sometimes it's not there. Let me finish first.
Okay, yeah, please continue.
Sometimes you'll on the website you'll mention certain things, sometimes you'll say that is not covered. Then it will be covered in the internship. Internship, not all of us have taken it. You can
Let me tell
proceed
you
now.
one thing. I've got a point. Like the trainer is following the curriculum. Okay, please have some
No,
patience.
how do we know that the trainer is following the curriculum when the curriculum itself is dynamically changing? Every day it is something else. Is there a clear cut instructions like so and so topics are going to be covered on so and so day? Is there anywhere it is written?
No, for that reason, I need to talk to the trainer. Okay, I'll have a word with Mr. Abhay. Do not worry for that. Okay.
When we talk to the trainer, trainer says he has to talk to you. When we talk to you, you're saying you
No,
have to
no.
talk to the
I'll
trainer.
have personally a word with Mr. Abhay. Do not worry for that. I'll have a word with him. Okay, and I'll surely get back to you on this.
You don't
Okay.
have to get back to me only. It is the entire group over here who is having this doubt.
Obviously, I mean for everybody. I meant the whole batch. Do not worry. I'll have a word with Mr. Abhay, and I'll get back to the batch again. Okay.
Why can't we have the discussion right now and then you can clear it with Abhay? I think Abhay is also there in the call, right? Because if you all
People
discuss something,
actually,
you all will
no.
discuss
Actually,
something
I'll tell
between
you what.
yourselves. I'll tell you, wait, hold on. You all will discuss something between yourself, then you all will come next week and say these things are there, and then we'll give you a feedback, and then again you all will go for another discussion. Have the discussion right now. The entire team is here. Abhay is here. Let's have the discussion and clear it off. What is pending?
I totally agree with your point. Like, but right now the classes are going around. We cannot afford to waste time. Okay, please, it's precious time right now. We will.
We have
Let me have word with. Let
wasted
me.
When
20.
you talk about precious time, even it is our precious time. We are wasting half an hour, and then the trainer is also coming late.
No,
So,
it won't
what
happen.
do you mean our time is not precious?
I think our class is for 2 hours and we still have little bit time left, so we can still discuss.
We'll go 4 minutes to go.
Yeah.
Hello. Hello. Are you there, everyone?
Yes.
I got your point. Actually, I just
We are here.
saw that. See, I discussed with them. Actually, even the whatever the content that I have shared with you, no, that is the point uh, they made. And Francis sir, actually,
Sorry to
you
interrupt
had a
you.
good point. Actually, not
I
an issue.
starting. See,
Rahul,
coming bad. This wasn't any confidential talk. They have talked us by muting us.
sorry.
He said you guys discussed just, you could have discussed
No,
with
why to
us.
discuss? No, actually, why to have discussion with them? Actually, your point is correct. No, you have asked major points. Even I shared with you with
This
them as well,
a
right?
confidential talk. They
And
should
that's the see. I know that they have to come and discuss with them, but the point is that the questions means schedules and all. Suppose suddenly they will they can't directly give you the schedule kind of things. Suppose the way I have seen, they will discuss with me whatever the content I have shared with you, and I will tell them this content I have shared with you, and the questions also I will share with you. Okay, so when I will come tomorrow session morning, first I will share with you all the contents, means what are the content remaining and what are the schedules, and then definitely that makes the sense, right?
Okay, this one, when the course starting itself, they will be having a schedule, right? On this
Yeah, schedule.
particular
Actually, what
day, this is
happens?
what,
Two batches
this is
are
covered
combined
here.
here, ma'am. I got your point. What happens? Two batches are combined. Suppose one person is telling us, suppose something is remaining and something is repeating, I have to take, I have to take that repeat content in that class. And many times that happens. Suppose cross validation content I'm sharing with you, some two or three people are saying that, if suppose, sir, this is a confusion part, once again I have to take. For yourself, for you, for your purpose also, I have taken repeat classes of that. But the point is that um, it's not meaning I never taken any content. So don't worry about that. And don't worry about the anything never taken and I will not take like that. No, I will take everything, not an issue.
No,
But
we
one
also
thing,
need,
from coming sessions, whatever the content is remaining, I will give you from morning, means tomorrow morning. And for by schedule also I will cover. The only one thing, because combining the two batches, that's why we are getting this problem. But don't worry. And the R programming and Power BI, these questions also I will give you answer from tomorrow morning as well. Yes.
just, I mean, before giving us all these answers, just tell them to make a schedule and just post it on the portal. That'll be easy for everyone.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes. Rahul.
I think Abhay, main question Francis sir asked was, they just asked them, they should have a schedule, the way they
Yes.
arrange,
Yes.
okay, that, Abhay is going to cover this in this class, this in this class. So he just asked about that, just share that schedule with us, but they couldn't just reply. So
No,
that
no, don't
was,
worry. Pooja ma'am, I will give you a word for this one. Whatever the content is there, no, I will cover up. Okay, from my side. Don't worry. And schedule also, given schedule, it will cover up. It is not on taking lengthy sessions and all. Given schedule, I will take it.
If you guys gonna stretch the course, just tell us.
No need to take a stretch.
If it's gonna take another couple of months, we're happy for that. Just tell us the schedule for that. Just upload it on the portal, and we'll be happy.
Yes. Actually, stretching something means 1 or 2 weeks are stretched. Why? Why happens this one? Sometimes some topics getting tough. No, the way we have covered imbalancing or cross validation, these topics are tough, and techniques also
Yeah,
somehow tough.
we are not
That's
saying
why
no.
this is getting stretched.
Abhay, we are not saying no to that.
But don't worry. From when sorry.
We are not
What you
saying
saying?
no to. We are not saying no. I know certain topics are a bit difficult, and it takes time to understand. We are not saying no, but there is no clear cut what we are going to do in the next session. That's what I'm trying to highlight it over here now.
Yes, yes, I got your point,
Okay.
sir.
Even portal, if I open the next week's date there, and there's nothing written what we're gonna cover. It's only written for.
That's the thing I got your Rahul. That's the schedule thing I will share with you.
Yeah, I mean, we
Yeah.
don't have any problem with the teaching and anything else. It's just the schedule.
Okay.
Just a schedule and the topics which are there, which are going to be covered. There are certain things like we need some exposure to Power BI as well as Tableau, but you're saying at the end of the day, we don't know about Power BI, you need to discuss. And then if we ask the
That's
team, then the team is saying they also need to discuss. Then who is having a clear picture? We don't know.
No, sir. Actually, I got now at the end.
It is as though you're conducting this for the first time, I feel like, when I speak to you guys. Because earlier batches also will have the similar queries. If it was conducted earlier, then we all will have some experience, right? How to move forward. But then I'm asking, the last day I asked the evaluation team, what is the way of evaluation after we finish the course? There's no answer to that as well.
Okay. No worries, sir. Actually, I will go for that. No problem. Everything. And tomorrow first I will share with you schedule, and then we'll start the work. Okay. No problem. And there is a test or assessment in the end of the report internship. No, first we'll cover the internship part, capstone project, and the whatever the questions that you have shared with me, I got and share with the team. And from tomorrow morning, I will go for the schedule. Also about the project and internship. Yes, yes. Thank you so much. Yeah, team. Please be cool. Thank you so much for today's session. The way you discussed.
So please upload the video today itself. I could not complete the
Sorry?
downloading. I was not able to complete the downloading of SQL. Please upload the video today itself. Can you hear me?
Yeah. Actually, you haven't done no downloading. Actually, first
Yes.
I will create the video, and at the end of the day, I will share the team that video to the team. Else, even I will share the installation process of YouTube videos. Is it possible from your side?
Okay.
Installation
Sir.
process of SQL. I will pass that link to the portal. You can see that. Not an issue. Okay. So thank you so much for today, and we'll come up today early morning. Actually, just 10 minutes before. Also, I will connect with the team. So don't worry. Before starting the session, 10 minutes before, we will connect and solve the problems. Thank you so much, you all. See you. Bye bye. Take care.
Yes.
You all. Yeah. Yes, Rohan.